Have you ever wondered what you can do to get your permit issued faster? Obtaining a building permit can be confusing, especially if you don't know how to properly submit applications and plans. For you and many design professionals who have this difficulty, please watch this video to learn how to submit a complete set of plans to DCRA. DCRA issues over 60 types of permits, each with unique requirements. Use the DCRA plan submission checklist to ensure that you have all the required plans, plats, and supporting documents to apply for your specific permit type. Upon submission, DCRA staff will use your completed checklist to verify that the plans, application, and supporting documents have been submitted and are ready to review by DCRA plan reviewers. For your set of plans to be accepted by DCRA for review, it must include design plans that comply with the currently adopted version of the District of Columbia Municipal Regulations Title 11 and 12. Be consistent with permit application, scope of work, DC surveyor's plat, and supporting documents. Be legible, be drawn to scale, and be detailed. All plan pages must be sealed, signed, and dated by a registered design professional. Label each plan sheet using the standard naming convention. Your plan must also show floor plans that depict existing conditions and proposed construction for all levels, elevation drawings and dimensions of all sides of a building, sections showing detailed cuts of the building's interior, depict the total building height, dimension and label the height of the lowest level of the structure from existing grade. Depict the height, location, and screening of all existing and proposed structures on the roof and mechanical equipment. And if the property is zoned anything other than R1-3 or RF1-4, you must submit a green area ratio exemption form. To get started, visit dcra.dc.gov/permit app.